Hey everybody, I'm Tony Crisafi with Creative Gems, and today I'm going to teach you how to make our bar necklaces. They're very, very popular. We have all different kinds: rose gold, gold, silver. We've got ones with heart punched out. We got a new crossbar that's came out. We got ones with birthstones in them. Very, very popular. Check them out on the website. They do very, very well in all retail locations. Okay folks, today we're going to be using our jig and then we're going to be using our bar necklace stamping mount. These are available on our website. Link is down below. These make it very, very easy to stay straight and whip these things out as fast as possible. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my mount, get my jig, my stamps ready. I'm going to put this in here and then I'm going to take my bar. I'm going to put the chain over the jig and I'm going to set this into the little cutout that we've made for the bar to sit in there. I'll give you guys a little close-up of this so it sits in here very well. The two sides with the jump rings and the chain fall down on the side, keeps them out of your way, keeps it very, very easy, very clean. All right, today we're going to be doing the name Zoe. Very popular name. And this particularly is on our crossbar, so when you are making it, I always start in the middle first. So you want to gauge from the cross over, and that's gonna balance out the symmetry of the actual necklace. So I'm gonna start with my O, and I'm gonna put that in the very middle of the edge of the bar and the cross. Okay. So I've got all my jig set for how level I am across the bar. And I'm gonna push down on my letter, use my 2-pound sledge, give it a tap. There's my O. Now I'm gonna put my Z in. So you're working from the middle out. There's my Z. And then my E. And this bar mount slides back and forth. So you just slide it over to wherever you need as far as your spacing between your letters go. And there you have the name Zoe. So I'm going to take my necklace out, put my jig down, take off my sound deadening pad and put it on here. And then I'm going to use my paint pen to fill in the letters. Let that dry for a minute. And just note, so sometimes when you're making these bars, the jump ring right here will get caught in the side of the jig, or it might just loosen up and the chain will fall out. Is what I do is I take my jump ring pliers and my flat pliers right here, and I'll just re-put the jump ring back together if it falls out. This one particularly didn't, but sometimes they do, so that's okay if that happens. Just click the two edges of the jump ring back together and you'll be just fine. So now that that's nice and dry, I'm going to use my cloth and wipe off the excess here. And there you have it, making a bar necklace. Remember, everything is on our website for you. We make it very easy. If you have any questions or concerns, anything at all, don't hesitate to call or email us. And never forget, big things have small beginnings.